name is Carol, and I came to Lyceum because of Elaine. Elaine noticed that I had some problems, and she thought because her daughter got helped, this would help me also. So I have a situation with arthritis and polymyositis, which arthritis attacks your joints, and polymyositis attacks your muscles. So this was a good place to come, and I'm glad I came because it has helped me in a mighty way in being more comfortable and less pain, and I am so glad that Elaine told me about this place. They showed me different exercises. They've given me different braces in order to help me to be more comfortable with my situation, and I am more comfortable. I can go downstairs better because I've gotten knee injections, a gel knee injection that lubricates my knees to make my knees more pliable to moving down those steps, and I'm so appreciative of this place and of God, my Father, directing me here. Amen. Amen.
And how do you feel now after you've received all that treatment?
Oh, I'm much more comfortable. I'm much more comfortable. I can walk better. I can walk faster. I love to walk, and going down the steps. Because I've been going down the steps a certain way because of my knee problem, I still have to make myself more comfortable in walking down the steps more properly. Maybe that could be one of the activities we should have at Lyceum, teaching people how to properly walk down the steps. That's an idea because I'm having trouble going back to walking down the steps in a normal way. So that's an idea, walking up and down steps. So I appreciate Lyceum.
Great. And would you recommend the facility to others who are having a similar problem?
Indeed so. I saw a young man at my church, and he was having so much problem walking up the steps, and both times I opened the door for him instead of him opening the door for me, and then I told him about Lyceum and gave him some information. Of course I would recommend Lyceum to other people who I see with the same situation.
Wonderful. Well, thank you, Carol, for sharing your story.
God bless. Thank you.